So my next little project's going to be a friendship star, and this one's going to be a 6-inch finished star. Um, there's basically kind of like 2.5 inch, and then you got to get your diagonal, so that's a little bit larger. I would do a 3-inch and then trim it down, and there's a 2.5 inch. But anyway, this is what I'm going to do, and the main color here is actually going to be the pink instead of the orange. But this is the way I've got it cut out, and as you can see, I've done my diagonals on the oranges again. I like the way it came out with the last project, so I'm going to try to do it again this time. So we'll see how this turns out. So now, let's see. I have these, and I'm cutting them so I can press them. So now, once I do get them pressed, it would be oops. I'm just going to have to get them pressed. But I do want to lay them out so that when I go to sew them, it'll be alright. And for some strange reason, I think I'm going to press these seams open. Let's see, do I have it correct? There it is. I'll get that pressed, and then I'll be able to get these sewn together. So here's an update on my friendship star. So, as you can see, I've got all the rows sewn together, and on the diagonals, I pressed open all the seams. And then when I pressed them after I got the rows, I pressed away from the diagonal so that when I put these together, I should have nesting seams right here. And they match up. So I should be able to just sew this together. Well, turn it right side. They nest together, and I should just be able to sew it right up. And then I'll be able to add the other side and be done. I think this is going to be a mug rug for my coffee cup. Anyway, progress thus far. Until I sewed it up and I've pressed it, and this is my 6-inch finished friendship star. So I hope you like this one. It went together easy, I thought. It was just mainly cutting those diagonals, which, one day I'll use starch. But I definitely like drawing the line down and sewing on either side and cutting it. Makes easy work of those triangles for sure. So, another thing I learned from Miss Donna Jordan. I hope y'all had a good one with this one, and we will talk to you later. Bye.